How can one software development company provide reliable data about the entire tech community? It may seem like a challenge, but JetBrains is uniquely positioned to gather meaningful insights. Our developer ecosystem survey gathers insights from thousands of developers worldwide each year. We conduct this survey to gain a deep understanding of developer needs and industry trends. Our data aligns with other surveys, providing a broad perspective. Since we've been doing this year after year, we can confidently identify stable trends and emerging shifts. Let's take a closer look at how we do it. To ensure that our data is accurate, representative, and insightful, we carefully designed the survey alongside our product teams. We cover a wide range of areas, like AI, web, mobile, game development, and more. Each respondent only answers questions relevant to their skills and interests, whether that's Go, JavaScript, or another specialty. In addition, we randomize questions and sections for each respondent. This approach helps reduce the load while still providing a comprehensive look into the developer ecosystem. To reach a broad audience, we distribute the survey through multiple channels: tech forums, social media, and developer communities. This way, we connect with developers around the world. To ensure a balanced global representation, we collect responses from all major regions. For smaller countries, we group them together when necessary and aim to gather at least 300 responses per region or country group, using external sources like ads or referrals. Our survey is available in 9 languages, so developers can participate in their preferred language. Once we gather responses, we begin the essential task of data cleaning. Our set of 34 specific criteria helps us filter out incomplete or suspicious entries and remove duplicates to maintain quality. For instance, we flag responses completed too quickly to be thoughtful, or those with duplicate answers from the same IP or with the same email address. When we find duplicates, we keep only the most complete version. Finally, we look for conflicting answers. For example, if someone claims to be both 18 to 20 years old and have more than 16 years of experience, it raises a flag. After cleaning the data, we move to the next important step: data weighting. Data weighting is a statistical technique we use to adjust our survey results to reduce sampling bias and accurately reflect the real-world distribution of the developer community. This process has 3 key stages. First, we weigh responses by country using estimates of the professional developer populations to ensure proportional representation. Second, we balance responses by employment status, adjusting for employed, student, and unemployed respondents. This gives us a more accurate distribution across regions and employment types. Finally, we apply complex calculations to balance data from internal sources with external data. For example, if our initial results show PHP as more popular than Python, contrary to external data, we adjust by assigning individual weights to each participant. This ensures that our final results reflect the true proportion. The process involves solving a system of linear equations to minimize weight variance across thousands of responses, resulting in a fair representation of each programming language and developer type. While we take extensive measures to control for bias, we know that no survey is perfect. We keep working to improve our methods to get the clearest, most balanced, and accurate picture possible. We believe that knowledge grows when it's shared. That's why we make our infographics and raw data publicly available. By sharing transparent, reliable data, we empower developers, teams, and decision makers to make informed choices that help shape the future of tech. So dive into our findings, explore the data, and join us in building a better understanding of the developer ecosystem.